Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Of course, you can see that, you know what, this wig is Luvme Hair Company quality. Okay, look at this. It came like this. It came pre-everything. Let me tell you, everything was done for me, baby girl. Okay, they cut the lace for me, they styled this wig for me. These wand curls, literally they did it for me. The only thing that I needed to do was just to separate them so that I can give myself this gorgeous volume. Okay, that's the only thing that I did. The lace, baby girl, they cut the lace for me. Look at this elongated parting. They did this for me. Luvme Hair. Okay, so please, oh, I don't think I showed you that this wig is glueless. guys, get yourself a Luvme Hair wig and you won't regret it. Okay,
blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss.
So I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is their box. It is purple and silver. So they were kind enough to send me this wig storage bag, a branded Luvme Hair wig band, and of course washable and reusable wig cap. So guys, straight out of the box, as you all can see, still has the net, it still has everything. This is straight out of the box. These are wand curls and they are gorgeous. Okay, I have never owned anything like this before, nothing with wand curls. Okay, like I am so excited. And oh my goodness, the parting. Before I show you anything, before we go further, let me show you the parting. Look how deep that parting is. Like, it means you have enough parting space. You can actually part your wig anywhere basically. Okay, let's take it out of the net. Look at those curls. Look at those curls. They are nice, bouncy, and shiny. Do you see that? I am so excited, guys. Oh my goodness, this is enough parting space. And guess what, guys, if you're a beginner, you can definitely rock this wig because it is a glueless and everything is done for you. Look at that. They literally hot combed it over here. The lace is pre-cut, and this is how the wig looks inside. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side, and of course 1 here at the back. It also has, of course, an adjustable belt. I'm also excited because this wig has a breathable cap, so which means you do not have to take your wig off in order to scratch your scalp. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, let's put this on because I mean, what's there to do? Like, I'm just like, everything is done for me, so I'm just gonna put it on and we are good to go. Let's see how it's gonna look. I'm so excited. Glueless. Like, I am so happy, guys. The parting is so deep. The parting, look at this. This is perfection. Oh my goodness, I look so good, guys. This is glueless. In case you didn't see me put on the wig, this is absolutely glueless. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Luvme Hair is changing the game with these glueless wigs. I am so happy. So let's nicely separate the curls. Okay, we are about to have a very full wig. So guys, for this process you can use your fingers or you can actually use a wide tooth comb. Look at that. Look at the fullness, guys. Look at how full this wig is. Okay, compare this side to this side. Oh my goodness, I look so good.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer.
Oh my gosh.
Every single moment, you were there by my side.
As you all guys saw, there was nothing much to be done to this wig. The only thing that I did was just to, you know, separate the wand curls, and this is how I am looking. Everything was done for me, even this little soup bump. It is giving bombshell. I get one you get me right. So go get yourself a Love Me Hair wig, okay? I do have a discount code for you guys, and of course I do have direct links for you guys so that you can purchase this gorgeous wig from Love Me Hair company. Wand curls, this wig is giving bombshell, okay? Until next time, bye guys.